Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today we're going to learn a worship song, God is Awesome by Charles Jenkins, and I'm going to be playing in the key of E. Alright. Now I'd like you to take a minute and click on the like button. Put a comment in the comment below to let me know what you think about my tutorial so far, what I can do to improve it. And anytime you share the link of a video of mine, you help me to promote my videos so that I can reach a broader audience. Thank you for taking that minute to like and then give me a comment on what you think. Alright, so this is a scale of E. Alright, so let me do this. If you are new to E, okay, I'll be playing my chord 1 this way, or there's the triad without this. You can add this chord 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then back to 1. Alright, so I could play my 1 this way, I could play the 2 this way, the 3 this way, with this, yeah. Then you could play the 4 this way, 5 this way, then the 6 this way, the 7 this way, and then the chord 1. Alright, so the progression is a 1 5, 1 5, 6, and then 4. So 1 5 6 4. So you could play a 1 like this, then 5, then 6, and then 4. 1 5 6, and then 4. So my God is awesome. He can move mountains. Ta-da-da-da-da-da. Ta-da-da-da-da. My God is awesome. So you could play the 1 this way, and then the 5 this way, then the 6 this way. It's the same thing that I'm expanded like this, and then the 4. Alright, so the intro, he plays a plays with the 1 chord. So like this with the chord 1, then with a chord 5, and then to the 6, and then back to the 4, the same chord. So that's the intro. Then my God is awesome. He can move mountains. Ta-da-da-da-da. Or this. Ta-da-da. Now when you play it like this, you're able to slide your thumb finger to the A, and then so it's like this. You just add this, it becomes your 4th. So 1 5 6 4. Alright, so thank you for watching. And don't forget to put a comment in the comment below, like the video, and then share the link. Thank you.